Having trouble sending messages on Instagram from your Android phone? It can really be frustrating when your DMs just won't go through. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this issue quickly so you can start sending messages again without any hassle. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first thing to check is if your phone is connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Swipe down to access the control center, and your Wi-Fi connection will be shown here, and your mobile data connection will be shown here. To do a quick reset, simply tap on the airplane mode icon here, wait for a few seconds, and then tap on it again to reactivate your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Then go back to your Instagram to see if your DMs are being sent through. The second scenario could be that your Instagram version is outdated and you will need to update the app. To do this, go to your Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see the word open, it means you have the latest version. If you see the word install or update, go ahead to update to the latest version, then go back to your Instagram to see if your messages get sent across. The third scenario is to reset the app. To do that, simply tap on the three lines on the bottom left of your phone and swipe up on the Instagram app to fully exit the app. Then, open up your Instagram again and check if your messages are being sent through. The fourth option is to reinstall the app. To do that, simply tap and hold onto the app and select uninstall. Tap on OK. Then go back to your Play Store and search for the Instagram app and reinstall it again. Open the app again to see if your messages has been sent through this time. The last option is to do a hard reset on your phone. Press and hold the volume down and power button on the side of your phone. Then tap on restart. Wait for your phone to reboot, then go back to Instagram to see if your DMs are being sent through. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.